Hi traders, in today's video I'm going to take you through 7 reasons why I use Metatrader 4 to trade Forex. Now stay with me to the end as I will show you a few tips and tricks on how to customize your charts and set up one-click trading. And introducing myself, my name is Duncan Cooper and I'm a full-time trader and the Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities. Okay, so let's get into the first reason. So my first reason is the MT4 platform is easy to install and will operate on a low budget desktop or laptop. If you haven't tried the MT4 platform before, you can download a demo from the link in the description below. Okay, moving along, my second reason, the MT4 platform can be used across multiple devices. There is the MT4 desktop for Windows that can be used on a desktop computer or laptop, or we have the MT4 web, which can be accessed through a browser and used on a Windows, Apple or Linux desktop computer or laptop. Or for trading on the go, there is the MT4 app, which can be used on an iPhone, iPad or any Android phone or tablet. As you can see, there are multiple options and I use MT4 on my laptop, phone and tablet. On to my third reason. The MT4 platform gives you access to trade Forex indices and commodities, such as metals and oil. Now you can access all these instruments by left clicking on the Market Watch button at the top. And then to gain access to all the instruments, right click and then left click on Show All. And then all the instruments will be shown and will be available to you to trade. Okay, moving along to my fourth reason, and that is expert advisors. You can leverage the power of automated trading. You can have your trading strategy coded so that it will run and trade automatically 24/5. You can also purchase expert advisors from within the platform, and you can access these by coming up to the terminal button and left clicking, and then come to the market tab and left click, and then you'll see a whole list of expert advisors that you can review and choose from. Moving on to my fifth reason, and that is there's an endless choice of popular indicators. So if you move up to the top and if you left click on the navigator button, this will show you all the popular indicators that are available within the MT4 platform. You can also add in your own personal coded indicators, and I have some of my own indicators attached to the chart in front of me. Okay, so my sixth reason why I like MT4 is it has easy to customize charts and timeframes. So currently the chart in front of me is a 15-minute chart, but I can come up to the top and have multiple options to change the timeframes. I have a monthly. So the timeframes that I do use the monthly chart, the weekly chart, the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, and I also use the 15-minute chart. So there's multiple time frames that I can use, and it's really easy to move from one time frame to the other. As well, you can easily customize the layout of the chart. So if you right click on the chart, come down to properties, left click, then I've already customized the colors of my candles in the background, but you can come through all these options and change the colors to any color that you want, or you can come to the color scheme, and there are 3 default color schemes already in the platform. So there's yellow on black, green on black, or black on white. So as you can see, it's very easy to customize. So I'm going to change my chart now to black and white candles with a white background. Just left click on OK, and you can see the changes made. So it's very easy to customize the charts and change the time frames. And my final or 7th reason why I like MT4 is that you can one-click trade from the charts. Now in the top left hand corner I already have the trade panel open, but to get access to the trade panel you need to click on the little triangle in the corner. So your chart might look like this, so just come up to the top, left click on the triangle and the trade panel will open up. And then to set up one-click trading so that you can click on buy or sell and instantly trade, you need to come up to Tools, Options, then come to the Trade tab, click on that one, left click, and then come down to the bottom here, left click in one-click trading, give it a tick, accept the terms and conditions, tick, click OK, and then final left click on OK, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to one-click trade. So the one-click trade, all you need to do is decide what volume you want to trade. So in the window in the middle, you can select and change the volume. I'm just going to trade the volume that's there already, and then I can either click on buy or sell. So for example, I'm going to buy this currency pair, so just left click on buy, and you can see then I've just bought, and you can see the trade entry level listed on the chart there. So that's how you can set up one-click trading. And there you have it, my 7 reasons why I use the Metatrader 4 platform to trade Forex. Now if you haven't used the Metatrader 4 platform before, you can download a demo by using the link in the description below. Okay traders, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.